This video shows the assembly and casting of the EcoPage. This is the central electrode unit. This has the groove in which this gasket fits. Without pulling, just press it in place. Ensure it fits from end to end. This whole assembly is then placed at the back of this. This is the front portion where the name EcoSep is and the connector is there. And at the back of this, it fits in this fashion. The screw is tightened gently. Do not over tighten. As long as this is fit in firmly inside, it should be fine. After this, you put in the plates. This is the notched plate which goes in first. Then the two spacers come here, and after that the rectangular plate. Once this has been placed, you can take the clamp and insert it in this fashion. You can then tighten it gently on both sides. Tighten alternately so that equal pressure is developed on the plates. Once this is done, the assembly is complete. Sealing this unit can be done in two steps. First is by using Vaseline or petroleum jelly. To do that, one can just gently layer a little bit of Vaseline on both sides of the spacer and place it on the notched plate. Once that is done, the rectangular plate can be placed here, and the whole assembly can be placed in this position. Again, you can tighten the clamps as necessary. Once that is done, using agarose or agar, you can just gently pour some at the bottom here using a pipette. For the purpose of this demonstration, I will be using water, but this should be done using agarose. Gently take some agarose using a pipette and pour it on the bottom surface. You would need about 2 ml. Once this is done, wait for the agarose to solidify. You can now cast your gel. Using polyacrylamide, one can cast this gel. Take polyacrylamide of the desired percentage using a pipette and pour it gently between the two plates of the glass. Keep adding till the required level is reached. Once that is done, you can wait for it to polymerize. After polymerization, you can redo this process for the stacking gel. Once you have put the gel right to the top, use the comb and fit it inside. Wait for the stacking gel to polymerize, and then the gel is ready to be used as required.